This is a pre-poo cream. It is a game changer for all hair types. If you're looking to enhance your hair keratin, this is the best pre-poo treatment for your hair because pre-poo helps to retain moisture, avoid damage, help in detangling, and enhance shine and softness. So please stay tuned and watch to the end.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. Today I'm going to show you how to make this pre-poo cream that will help not only detangle your hair, also prevent your hair from damage like heat damage, and also retain moisture and give that your hair extra shine and softness, and then you overall scalp health. Let's get started. So I blend my flaxseed first just to get it into a powdered form. Then next I blended the rosemary leaves, moringa leaf and mint leaf until they were finely powdered. So I went ahead and measured 3 tablespoons of flaxseed. This is what I'll be using with the other ingredients to make this pre-poo cream. After that, I added 3 cups of water to a pot and placed it on the stove. Once heated, I added the powdered flaxseed and cooked it on a medium heat until the water became slimy. Now guys, this is where the magic happens. So once it reached the right consistency that I'm looking for, I took it off the heat and strained the mixture to extract the gel. Guys, after taking this off the stove, I went ahead to sieve this using a double sieve to sieve it. Then why I did this was to avoid pops inside my cream. So I made sure I sieve this properly. And by the way, this did not cool down completely. I allowed it to cool for a while before I started sieving it out. So I began by stirring it out like this because it's kind of still hot. So I had to wait a while and also wore a glove just to reduce the hotness. It's not hot. It's just like it's warm but not hot. So and this process it helps you to try and extract every gel you need for it and to get the right consistency. So this is the consistency I was looking for and which is right for what I'm about to do. So the next thing I did was to melt my shea butter using the double boiling method. It is important to melt it slowly to preserve its nutrients. So once melted, I started to add my powdered ingredients there. So I started with the star anise. I had it in powdered form already, so I just had to use the powdered form to use. And this is the star anise, guys. This is how it is looking. Anise doesn't only smell divine, but star anise has these properties that help maintain a healthy scalp, and it also prevents dandruff. So after adding about 2 tablespoons of star anise, I went ahead to add my other dry items, my other blended items, which includes the rosemary leaves, moringa leaves, and the mint leaf. So I added everything inside the shea butter and then stir it completely. After stirring this for a while, I went ahead to add 3 tablespoons of palm oil. Yes, you heard me right, palm oil. It is rich in antioxidants. It helps to nourish your hair and scalp while enhancing your hair's natural shine and preventing dryness. So after adding the palm oil, I mix it for about a minute before taking it off the heat.
Da, da, da. Da, da, da.
Once this was completely cool, I went ahead to sieve it through the sieve again to also avoid any kind of pop, any kind of particles that will eventually end up in the hair. So we don't want that, do we? So we had to sieve this so to avoid any kind of particles in our hair. So this is what is giving us. Don't mind my camera here, it's kind of blur, but you're going to see how it is. Yes, it is clear now. So this is how it is looking after sieving it. Shows that the items I used has been fully infused in the oil, So now I went in with my flaxseed gel, mixing everything until it was perfectly blended and creamy. So if you've watched this video up to this moment, why not take a moment to click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video to your family and friends, and also tell me what you think about this in the comment section. Thank you. Guys, please don't skip the advert when you're watching. Please, this helps to support my channel. Thank you. Combine this properly. I went ahead to give it a good mix by using my hand mixer so that I will get all these ingredients combined together properly and thoroughly. After mixing this, I put it away in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. So after 2 hours, this is what it's giving us. So I went ahead to give it another mix with my hand mixer in order to get that creamy texture we're looking for. Now that I'm done mixing, this is what this cream is giving us. It's creamy, it's smooth, and yeah, our cream is ready. Look at how it melts on the hand. It melts easily on the palm. So I went ahead to rub this on my palm, at the back of my hand and everything. Just to tell you, this is not just only a pre-poo. You can also use it as a cream. So after rubbing this, I went ahead to get a white towel just to show you that this cannot stain your clothes. So this is a white towel, there is no stain on it. So I decided to rub my hands on it, and look at that, there is no stain on the towel. So I did that at the back with the back of my hand, the same thing. So next I went ahead to pour this content into a pipe bag first so that I will be able to transfer it easily to my container. Now guys, just look at that. Look at the lustrous smooth texture that this is giving me. It is actually nice, and it also smells great. Even without me putting an essential oil, this smells amazing. Just give this a try and let me know in the comment section how it smells, the aroma, and especially the star anise. It is simply divine, guys. Just look how creamy this is. So guys, I'm going ahead to apply this in my hair because I need to wash my hair, but I need to pre-poo first. So this hair is so tangled. My hair is not really dirty, but it's just I have a built up of what's it called again, gel in my head. So I need something to detangle it. I can easily use water, but I want to pre-poo my hair first because I needed a pre-poo treatment. So I just used this first just to get my hair softer and easy to manage. And also guys, when using this, the cream just glides through my strands. It's just like you're using clay, making it super easy to detangle. Plus the aroma from that star anise, guys, it's really divine. So guys, look at how easy this is helping me to detangle my hair. It helps to detangle the hair, and look at the little amount of hair I lost from that strand. So imagine if I lose just little like that from the other 3 sections. I'm not losing much, so it is a good thing. Okay, so guys, after this treatment, I went ahead to cover my hair with my shower cap just to steam up my hair for about 10 minutes to get all that nourishing ingredients to work its magic. After 10 minutes, I removed my shower cap and my hair is all steamed up, and look at that. It's just relaxed and I really love it. So I went ahead to rinse it off, and the results were nothing short of amazing. My hair felt incredibly soft, deeply hydrated, and so healthy. So if you're looking to elevate your hair care routine, I highly recommend trying this pre-poo cream. It's a must for your hair, and your locks will absolutely thank you for it. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, share this to your family and friends, and also click on the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. And if you're new here, remember, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Yeah. Na, na,